Hi Camp Badget, it's Carly. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a couple different types of friendship bracelets. You can easily get all the materials that I'm using in this video at stores like Meijer or Walmart. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so the only materials that you're going to need to make your bracelets is your string, some tape, and scissors to cut your string if needed. Alright, so for bracelet number 1, I have already cut out my string and have taped it to my board to get started. You are going to pick one color to start off with, so I'm going to start with orange, and I'm just going to have the rest of the colors grouped together. For this bracelet, you can do about from 3 to 5 different colors if you would like. It's kind of up to you. I chose to do 4. So when you have your one strand, your one color separated, you are just going to make a 4 and go over the top of the rest of your colors and then pull through your little hole, and it's going to create this little knot, and then you just pull up. And you're going to keep doing that over and over until you see a little pattern. And it's going to kind of start going to the side, so you're going to follow that. So once you have done that for a little bit with one color and you're satisfied with how long it is so far, you can then move on to a different color. So I'm going to choose blue next. It doesn't really matter what color. And then you do the same thing. You make a 4. Alright, and then once you like the length of that color, you can switch to another color and keep going all the way up until you're done, until it fits your wrist. So that is bracelet number 1. Alright, so moving on to bracelet number 2. This one's actually my favorite. I just love the way they look, and I think that they're super easy to make. So what you're going to do is you are going to have just 2 colors, and you can either do 2 or 3 strands of each color. Remember, an arm's length or a little shorter. And I chose to do 3, but 2 will work just fine. And you're going to group both of the colors together and then tie a knot really quick. Make sure you leave some good space, and then you can tape that down. So to get started making the bracelet, you are going to separate the 2 colors, and you're going to keep them together. So same as the last one, you are just going to make a 4 and then bring it under and grab it through, and it creates that knot, and then you just pull up. And now you're going to switch colors. So you're kind of making a backwards 4, but you're doing the same thing you did on the other side, grabbing it through and creating a knot. Over and over, going back and forth from each color, and it's going to create a really cool friendship bracelet. And that is your finished product. Again, this one is just a really fun one to do. It's super quick and super easy. Alright, so I hope that you enjoyed that video. You can either share your skills with other people at home or just make a bunch of bracelets for all your friends. We all miss you so much at Camp Badget, and I cannot wait to see you guys in person next summer. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.